we have a lot of neighbors and crews spending the day cleaning up debris, and officials are happy to report, again, there are no major injuries.
Yeah, so let's get down to T311's Brooke Buckner. She's been in Hot Springs Village all day as that unique community tries to respond.
Yeah, Rolly and Faith, when I first got into town this morning, the first thing I noticed were a lot of downed power lines. And then I ventured off into some of the neighborhoods and found a lot of streets that look like this one. As you can see there in the distance, trees have fallen. They are blocking the road. Crews did come earlier to clean it up a bit, but they have not reached that point yet. Also, as you can see, a lot of trucks and vans, roofers just showed up. They're working on houses as we speak. And the work isn't stopping. All day they've been busy. They've been at this. They're trying to get it cleaned up as quickly as they can.
I couldn't see any obvious damage up here, and I thought, well, we're okay. So I got here at daylight this morning, and we weren't okay.
Thursday night and Friday morning looked a lot different to Gail Smith when he pulled up to his business in Hot Springs Village.
We've got front window knocked out here. We got our sign torn up down there, and we have about a 16 by 16 foot hole, just a complete hole in the back side of the building.
And on top of that, water damage.
Most of our tax return stuff and everything else was not damaged, but there was one area that we've got wet.
Even with all of this, he says others experienced worse.
I mean, there are trees down everywhere, lots of cars damaged and houses damaged and so forth.
That's why there's a command post set up inside the village full of first responders from multiple agencies.
We spent all night cutting trees and clearing roads for our first responders to be able to get out to our members. That was our first priority as we were getting 911 calls to be able to go check on our members and make sure they're okay.
Hot Springs Village General Manager Kelly Hale says thankfully there are no major injuries, but they're still checking on each of the members in the area.
Our average age here in the village is 67 years old, so we have an opportunity to really take care of our people here. But it's a family and it's a community that everybody looks over one another.
And even surrounding cities and counties jumped in to help.
It's been a team effort.
This community works together pretty good.
And there is a shelter set up at Balboa Baptist Church inside the village for those who may need it. And the village manager says he plans to reach out to state and federal officials to get some assistance with the cleanup. For now, reporting live in Hot Springs Village, Brooke Buckner, THV 11 News.